Let me show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on a 2017 Toyota Rav4. The installation is different compared to the front wiper blades. Pry away at the ends of this part here, then lift the cover. Now you can lift the arm up towards you. Pull this tip of the wiper blade towards you until it pops out of place. Now you can wiggle the blade off the arm. The new blade has a bar that needs to insert into the hook on the arm. Hook the new blade in. You'll notice it is locked in the hook. Now turn the blade away from you until it locks with the arm. Set the wiper blade on the glass window. Close the cap. Let's test it out now. It's good. Check the video description for links and additional information.